Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. In the last video we have seen some of the text formatting tags in HTML and today we are moving forward. So first one is EM, that is emphasize tag. This is used to display text which is emphasized, that is having some importance. Let us see what it will display. Emphasizes, and let us see. So it is displayed in some other format, as you can notice. Now next, mark. In your book you mark something, okay? If some point is important, you mark it with some color, basically with yellow. So this tag is used to mark the text, okay? So I'll write here, this text is marked, okay? And let us see how it is displayed. As you can see, it is displayed in highlighted with yellow. Now next is strong. Sometimes you want to display some text in more stronger, like in bold. It's not actually bold, it looks much thicker than the other text. We'll see stronger text, okay? Now you can see it is much thicker than the other text. Now next tag is abbreviated, okay? So this tag is used when you use some abbreviation. Suppose I write my name is Abhi, okay? But it's my nickname and my actual name is Abhinav. Okay, so let us see the output. So my name is Abhi, but the title is Abhinav. Now next is definition. This tag is used to define. It is specify that it is a term for some definition. Okay, we'll write here definition and let us see the output. So this is also having some different font and it represent that this term is having some definition. Now next is block quotes. So whatever you are writing in this tags will be displayed as a specific block of quotes. So suppose I am writing some details of something. Hi, my name is ABC. I study in PUC. Okay, let us go here, full stop. Stay in Bangalore, comma, India. Okay, that's all. Let us see how the block of code is displayed. So as you can see, it is displayed as special block of code. Okay, the earlier code is separate and this one is separate and it has given a space of a line, okay, in between the previous text and this one. So this was about all the tags we have studied today. So what all we studied today? We studied emphasize tag, mark tag, then strong tag, then abbreviated tag, definition tag, block quotes. Okay, this was all about the today's video. So we'll meet in upcoming videos. Thank you. Subscribe the channel.